Hey, you guys, welcome back to yet another episode of What's for Dinner here in Chanel's kitchen, or should I call it What's for Breakfast? Because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these delicious, fluffy blueberry pancakes. These pancakes are to die for, but don't take my word for it. Just watch the video, make them yourself, and let me know what you think. And we just gonna hop right on in. So the first thing I'm doing here is just taking about a cup worth of milk. And what we're doing is creating our own buttermilk. Because ain't nobody got time to be going to the store all the time just to get buttermilk and use it once or twice and then they go bad. Take your cup of milk and then you add in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And then you just mix it together and allow it to curd for about 5 minutes. So we're going to set this off to the side, honey. Next thing I'm doing is just taking 1 cup of flour and we gonna mix together our dry ingredients. So to that flour, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and about half a teaspoon of salt for the flavor, child. You know, just to enhance things up a bit. And we're also going in with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda! I got baking soda! And we just gonna give all of those dry ingredients a good old mix-up. A good old mix. So then, before we add our wet ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and take my blueberries and add them to my flour and give them a good mix. And the reason why you do this is so that the blueberries won't bleed into your batter and make the batter turn green or purple or, all them other colors, because we want our batter to still be white. Once all of my blueberries are coated nicely and evenly with that flour and that dry mixture, I'm just going to go ahead and break in 1 egg. And I'm also going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and add it to my batter. Melted butter, of course, darling. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our buttermilk. You see how it's nice and curdled on up. I said curdled. Curded? Is that a word? I don't know. It's going to be one today. Curded on up. Hallelujah. And I also went in with about a tablespoon of vanilla. I have no idea what happened to that clip, but I put some vanilla in here for sure. You got to have your vanilla in your pancakes, okay? That's how we do it in this household. Shoot, you can also add a little bit of lemon extract if you feeling a little frisky. That'll be great. And there you have it. This is your batter for your delicious, luscious, fluffy blueberry pancakes. So let's just hop right on the grill. I just rubbed my little griddle pan on down with a good amount of butter to make sure everything is nice and lubricated. And then I just went on in with my batter. I'm sure y'all know how to make a little pancake, child. At least I hope y'all do. I hope you know how to make a little pancake. So I just went on ahead and added my little pancakes or whatever to my griddle pan. And I also made some bacon, so I wanted to show y'all my bacon because it came out really pretty. So I'm just flipping my pancakes here. You want to flip them after you see them kind of bubbling up at the top. You want to start flipping them. And yeah, that's pretty much it on the pancakes. Our pancakes are pretty much done. So now we're going to get started on our eggs. So I hope y'all know how to scramble a little egg by now, but just in case y'all don't, I'm going to just go ahead and crack about 4 eggs into my pan. This is enough for 2 people. And I'm just adding in a little bit of salt for the flavor and a little bit of pepper. And I also just broke up some Gouda cheese, quite a few slices of Gouda cheese in my hand. And I added that in to my egg mixture. And I just gave it a good whisk with my fork. And here I am using that same pan. I have washed it. Please wash your pan after you use it. I just rinsed off my pan and added in some more butter and allowed that to preheat. And then I just added my egg mixture. And you just want to constantly be scrambling it with your fork. I like my eggs a little bit on the runny side, but you make yours how you like them, you know. And here is my beautiful final product. I just topped off my blueberry pancakes with some butter and some pure maple syrup. Emphasis on the pure, honey. Emphasis on the pure. I even put the bottle on there so you can see it, honey. Hey. But yes, this is how my breakfast came out. This is probably one of my favorite breakfast recipes for the weekend. It's nice and big and full and will get you through the entire weekend, child. Now, this might be a lot of food for some people, but it ain't for me. So we're going to enjoy it and we're going to have a good old time. All right. So make sure you like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.